Well, thanks for staying with us. In New Orleans, you must show proof of vaccination or a negative test to get into restaurants and events. And soon, young children will need to do the same, even at public schools. But despite these mandates, vaccination rates for kids are still low. Paul Dudley has more.
Starting next week, children ages 5 to 11 will be the latest to have to show proof of vaccination or a negative test in order to enter restaurants and other businesses in New Orleans. But vaccination rates among kids remain low. Ages 5 to 17, it's a little more than 30%, compared to adults at about 80%. Dr. Mark Klein with Children's Hospital has serious concerns as the Omicron variant continues to spread.
We've seen what Delta and now Omicron can do to children. We know that they're at risk for serious disease or even death.
Klein blames misinformation for the low rates among kids.
You know, there's been so much misinformation conveyed, particularly on social media, and it's hard for parents to discern what is accurate and what is not.
Klein says he's seen all sorts of things online. Myths like kids don't get seriously ill from COVID or that the vaccine will actually get kids sick. It's all false, he says.
That's just not happening. We know that the disease is making children sick, and some are even dying from the disease, but we're not seeing that caused by the vaccine at all.
The new city vaccination requirement for kids coincides with one at New Orleans public schools, where starting in February, students will be required to be vaccinated. So the time for parents is now.
Given that we have this period of time when kids are out of school, they're able to go get their vaccinations completed, this is the chance. This is the best time parents have to get this done.
As the number of new COVID cases is trending up, health experts maintain getting all eligible people vaccinated is the best way out of the pandemic. Klein is confident it can be done.
We've got to work hard to put this behind us. We can do it. We have the tools to do it. We just have to show the commitment to doing it.
Paul Dudley, Eyewitness News.
The city mandate for kids is set to start on January 3rd. The public schools mandate starts in February. So with the rise in COVID cases, there is some confusion about who can spread the virus to others. This morning, Brandon Lewis from our National Verify team explains why vaccinated people can spread COVID.
President Joe Biden and his administration are ramping up plans to combat a new wave of COVID-19 cases because of the Omicron variant. That includes the president doing interviews with local TV stations to encourage Americans to get vaccinated. On December 16th, he spoke with a station in Dayton, Ohio, about people who are unvaccinated and said, quote,